the Pamu Quiet. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Pamu Quiet by Padmate. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a multi-language user guide, a Type-C cable for charging, a storage pouch and lanyard, and you get small, medium, large ear tips. The Pamu Quiet features 3.5 hours of listening time, 14 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 and a dual chipset, the Qualcomm 5124 for connection and the AMS 3460 for the active noise cancellation. Aptec AAC SBC codec, 10mm titanium drivers, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a unique design and it reminds me of a pocket watch. It has a synthetic feel all around and you can see the branding on the top and a mix of plastic and metal all around. On the side you'll find a USB-C charge port and around the lid is an LED ring for status. You also have the latch for the lanyard on the top and the button to open the case. To access the earbuds, just press down on the button and the lid will flip open. It clicks into place to close. The earbuds are held down by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can also see the ear markings inside. This has wireless charging as well, and here you can see it on the charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds remind me of the Apple AirPods Pro, very similar in look. It has a large base just before the ear tips. On the lower part of the stem, you have the ear indicators, and on the outer face are the touch controls. They're easy to grip with its matte finish. Each of the earbuds have microphones, interchangeable ear tips, LED, touch control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired functions. A long hold will activate ANC and the ambient feature. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 82 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind.
On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up, way up. Now we going way up, now we going. On track, now we going way up, way up. Now we going way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. You tripping.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Pamu Quiet microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was excellent. It came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Pamu Quiet. They were very comfortable and has a similar fit and feel to the Apple AirPods Pro. It doesn't put excessive pressure in the ear canals and it forms a good seal. The touch controls are a plus. As far as using these for workouts, it may not have the secure fit for it. Build and quality is solid. The case has a unique design and it feels durable along with the earbuds. Touch controls are responsive and not overly sensitive, and the earbuds have a slim form factor once seated in your ears. I feel that they could have done better with the overall battery life since it only comes in at 3.5 hours and 14 total with the case, and a better IPX rating to protect you from the elements. It's nice to see wireless charging and the USB-C. The active noise cancellation feature worked very well and it's impressive, and it definitely ranks up there with many that I've tested with this feature. The ambient feature also picks up a lot of the surrounding noises loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in tight, punchy, and accurate. It's not overwhelming, but definitely not lacking either. Mids and highs also come in loud and clear and there's good separation and depth. Vocals and instruments do stand out and it's not too forward. I like the overall soundstage. It did well as I tested with various music genres, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. I feel that these perform and have some excellent features. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned, but the overall sounds and microphone do deliver. So that is my review of the Pamu Quiet True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.